Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and today I have the sweetest promotion for you that revolves around honey. Yes, that's right, honey. Who doesn't love natural, unpasteurized, unfiltered, unheated honey? Oh my gosh, I love it. My family loves it, and you are gonna love it too. The company that we're talking today is called Drizzle, and they are a certified B Corp company, which simply means that they pay attention to sustainability, to the environment. Everything they do is centered around that philosophy. Why would you want to give these out as a promotional advertising vehicle? Well, one of the reasons you might want to do that is because of its wonderful health properties. We do that by actually putting a beautiful label on the top that shows the full color logo of the company that's giving these away. And they might want to give it away as an employee appreciation gift. They might want to give it away at one of their company barbecues. They might want to give it away at a golf tournament, a wedding. You never know, but there's so many applications for how we can use this wonderful product. Now, you're taking a look at this honey here, and you're probably wondering, what's with all the colors? I'm used to seeing honey one way. Well, I'll tell you what, there are two reasons why you're seeing multiple colors here. The first reason is that they actually incorporate premium ingredients in some of their mixings. Ingredients like turmeric that actually turns it an orange type color. Ingredients like pure cacao that turns it a little bit brown. And every flavor is remarkable with these premium ingredients. But here's something you probably didn't know. Honey naturally comes in different colors, but most companies actually hide that fact by blending all of their different honeys together to make one consistent color. But at Drizzle, they celebrate the different color of honey, and do you know why they do that? Because they love the fact that the bees are harvesting pollen at different times of years, which means that they're actually harvesting it from different flowers. And when they take that pollen, it creates a honey that's a certain color at certain times of the year. Hence, if you harvest in the fall as opposed to the middle of the summer, you will get different color honey. Isn't that remarkable? So cool. I love everything about this Drizzle company. They are so cool. They are so fresh. They are a female-run company. They are backed by Arlene Dickinson from Dragon's Den, and you can get a hold of them and get their fabulous lines of honey into your customers' hands by contacting Leslie Ashby at yourpromorep.com. For all of those reasons, this is a fresh and tasty promotion that you need to look at. I'm Alex from Promonoise. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our website at www.promonoise.com. I'll buzz off now, and I'll see you later.